Hey, guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredible adventure in store for you. We're about to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of an ancient civilization that has remained hidden for centuries. So, buckle up and get ready for an extraordinary ride. It all began when we stumbled upon an ancient manuscript in a forgotten corner of a library. The book contained cryptic clues and illustrations that hinted at the existence of an extraordinary civilization. The team worked tirelessly, deciphering the symbols and connecting the dots. Finally, they cracked the code and unlocked the secrets hidden within the manuscript. With the location of the ancient civilization revealed, we wasted no time. Our team set off on an epic journey, venturing into uncharted territories, navigating treacherous terrain, and facing unpredictable challenges along the way. After weeks of searching, we finally reached the heart of the civilization, a hidden temple believed to hold the key to their mysteries. As they delved deeper into the temple, they uncovered astonishing artifacts, advanced technologies, and evidence of a highly developed society far ahead of its time. Ladies and gentlemen, what we've discovered here is mind-blowing. This civilization possessed knowledge and advancements that challenge everything we know about history. This incredible journey has left us in awe of the brilliance of the past. We're privileged to have witnessed this extraordinary civilization and its secrets. But remember, the exploration of our world is hidden. So how was the story? If you like the story, then subscribe the AI video and hit the like button. Thank you.